I'm getting to partner with Target and tell you about a major summer supper win for me. There is something really, really nice about making something that feels like a fun, different kind of dinner, but still has all of the elements. Like I'm still having a meat in there. There's still some cheese. There's still veggies. But my kids think that I have made something so fun and different. Plus, I got to do it outside on the grill. You heard me right. Instead of heating up my oven and my stovetop, I just went outside to the grill, heated up, and made a big pan of nachos. Plopped some sour cream on top, a little squeeze of lime, and some green onion. This was delicious, and the kids kept sneaking in to have some before the meal even started. I paired mine with a bag salad, made a little taco salad. You could absolutely switch up your toppings, but this was a huge win. Hope you try it.